नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम है बोस और स्वागत है आपका बिफोर यू बाई चैनल पे। आशा करता हूँ कि आपने मेरे पिछला वाला वीडियो देखा होगा और आपको डॉल्फिन शो बहुत ही पसंद आया होगा। तो डॉल्फिन शो में एक लकी ड्रॉ भी हुआ था जिसमें अगर आप जीते तो आपको डॉल्फिन के साथ पिक्चर लेने का मौका मिल सकता है। तो आपके भाई ने वो जीता था और ये कुछ पिक्चर है मेरे डॉल्फिन के साथ जो आप देख सकते हैं। डॉल्फिन शो के तुरंत बाद मैं क्रीक पार्क में ही देखने गया था बर्ड शो। तो चलिए बर्ड शो साथ में एंजॉय करते हैं।
Most intelligent parrot in the world, Grey African Mr. Coco, but Coco will come with his best friend Mr. Pinky. So everybody hands in the air, let's cheer him up. Check it out. Alright, let's run, come on. Wow, look at this move. Shake to the ears and shake to the west. That's why they are the best, right?
Everyone in Arabic.
Walaikum assalam. You want to say something in English?
Hello everybody, how are you?
Everybody doing great. Coco, give me a sound of a cat. A sound of an angry dog. Coco, when you see a beautiful lady, what do? The Final Baby Superstar from LA Records. Love puzzle. What is yellow? That is the color of the sun. Ooh. What is green? Of course, look at the surroundings and the rainforest. Ooh. What is red? The colors of love. Ooh. You know what, kids? Try to do this at home and your parents will be proud of you. Once you see some rubbish, you have to pick it up and put it in the trash bin. I told her why. She said, Baba, bin. Yes, Anna, do not move. Are you ready? All right, JJ, come on out, big boy. Here comes Jay the Jet. Boom! Fantastic, Anna, thank you so much.
अगर आप बच्चों के साथ आए तो बच्चे ये शो बहुत ही एंजॉय करेंगे।
Which one is the boy? Which one is the girl? What do you think? There is one difference. How did you know? You know, I love this. I'm gonna tell you what is the difference. The one with the big beak is the boy. Let's welcome Sophie Ann. No. Okay, would you like to make a race? Sure. Basketball hoops. Okay. 2 football each. The one who finished last will be the winner.
I love it.
Which team you want?
My favorite color. Green.
Who wants to be with DJ with Team Green? Raise your hands. Okay. Who wants to be with me with Team White? Let's make a race. Ready, set, and fly.
The rule is the one who finishes fast will be the winner.
What?
Okay, 1 down, 1 to go. 1 down, 1 to go. Come on, faster.
Is that getting proper? Green. All the way from Australia, but he studied in France. So let's welcome the artiste, Monsieur Jean Picasso. Jean Picasso is called the silvery cockatoos. These birds, they come in 4 different colors: white, black, gray, pink. All of them can live up to 80 years of age, except the one in black. The black palm cockatoo is the only bird in the world who can live up to 100 years of age. Funny fact, they find one partner and they stay together for 100 years.
What? They can live for 100 years with one partner. Just like humans, huh?
Yeah, what?
Yes, just like us. Ask Baba.
Can you stay 100 years with one partner? She looked at him.
Sure.
She gave him the... Can you stay 100 years with one partner? Yes. Can you stay 100 years with one partner? All of them, they're wise. All of them, they're filming. Baba, can you stay 100 years with one partner? Let's give Baba a big round of applause, everybody. Do you know why?
Why?
Because Baba will definitely know tonight he's sleeping on the sofa.
You know?
Without dinner. Now I want you to use your imagination. I got your back, man. I got your back. Now I want you to use your imagination. Look at the painting and tell me, what do you see? What does it look like? Okay.
Portrait.
Is this portrait of yourself? But I see two birds. Is this your girlfriend? Can you stay 100 years with your girlfriend? Yes? Why you are lying to the people? You can only live 80. Everybody, let's give him a big round of applause. I want you to hold this money in your hand, like that. Alright? Hold your hand, stretch your arm. As I said, this bird has been trained by two genius people, me and DJ. Alibaba. Alibaba is a special bird. He comes, he takes the money, and he never comes back.
Why you never come here, bro?
Three reasons. Reason number one, this is the only trick I know how to teach. Reason number two, you know, after Corona, this is how we collect our salaries. Reason number three, you want to play some more? Close your hand on the money. Hey buddy, bring back the money. Here it comes. Miss Aisha, close your hand.
Bro, what's that? What?
Thank you so much for your donation.
No.
Open your hand one more time. Hey buddy, bring back the money. Here it is. It's not coming back. Yeah, I think we trained him well, buddy.
Yeah.
We trained him very well. Close your hand. Everybody, let's give Miss Aisha.
अगर आप चाहें तो आप एक कॉम्बो टिकट बुक कर सकते हैं जिसमें आपका डॉल्फिन शो और बर्ड शो दोनों इंक्लूडेड रहते हैं। अगर आप सिर्फ बर्ड शो देखना चाहते हैं तो उसमें एक पर्सन का 50 दिरहम लगता है, और अगर आपके पास ऑलरेडी डॉल्फिन शो के टिकट्स है तो आप बर्ड शो डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस में मतलब 30 दिरहम में ले
Can I
सकते हैं।
ask you something?
Sure.
No hard feelings.
No hard feelings.
Which school did you go to?
UN.
Hello. University of what?
University of Knife.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah, nice, very nice. What did you do there?
Selling popcorn.
Selling popcorn. You should go back, huh? 3 plus 6. 9.
How come?
Yeah, that's 9. Nobody went to your school. Alright, let's see who's right. Come on, me boy. Everybody, let's cheer him on. Whoa!
Why you say wow?
Found it.
You know, my bro, let's do it one more time.
Wait a minute, wait a minute. You think I'm cheating?
Yes, you are.
Princess, come join me. Come. Here, one here, one here. I'm gonna turn my back. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Mix! Look
Wow,
at that.
she's good, bro.
Whenever you're ready, let me know.
You can get part of us one day. No?
Perfect. Emily, thank you so much. Everybody, let's give her a big round of applause. Now, I have no idea where's the ball, right? Check this out.
Let's talk about the real magic. Watch this.
Oh, man, how he do this thing?
He's a magician, bro.
बर्ड शो के ख़त्म होने के तुरंत बाद मैंने टॉय ट्रेन से लिया था क्रिक पार्क का एक पूरा चक्कर, तो ये मुझे 20 दिरहम का आया था। तो चलिए चलते चलते बाकी करते हैं। फिलहाल कोविड के चलते क्रिक पार्क में डॉल्फिन शो और बर्ड शो को छोड़ के बाकी सारे अट्रैक्शंस बंद है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है आपको ये दोनों शो देखने क्रिक पार्क ज़रूर आना चाहिए। तो ये वीडियो मैं यहीं एंड करता हूँ। तो अगले वीडियो में मैं आपको घुमाता हूँ दुबई म्यूज़ियम ऑफ इल्यूशंस, दुबई फ्रेम और बाकी बहुत सारे अट्रैक्शंस। तो फ़िलहाल के लिए सायोनारा सायोनारा।